Ellarigu Namaskara and I hope you are doing good. Welcome back to The Little Things and to a very important video in the Canadian PR process video series wherein I want to discuss with you guys a couple of things which hardly anybody talks about. So let's get started with the video. I think whenever we start something new in our life, we should all ask ourselves a few basic questions. And in this case, the questions could be like, can I live away from my family, friends, my hometown, my country? And do I have it in me to step outside of my comfort zone and start afresh in a new country? Or do I have the basic life skills in me which will help me to be independent and take care of myself and also my loved ones if it's required? Now, I don't say that each one of us will have yes as an answer for all these questions. However, by answering these questions, you will have a better chance at dealing with things and also to make certain changes to your life if it's required, so that your transition from your home country to Canada will be pretty smooth. Now coming to the next big question, why Canadian PR? Now I'm sure each one of us will have our own reasons for this. Somebody might be interested in having a better standard of living, or you could be interested in earning money in dollars, or you want to just explore this country, its people, culture and the food, or you're simply someone who wants to start afresh in your life. Now you must be wondering, why am I talking about all these things with you? You remember in my previous video I had told you that this process is a demanding one, and trust me, at times things will get difficult and challenging. That's when you can fall back on your why. Why did you start your Canadian PR process? And trust me, it will help you with dealing with the situation in a better way. Now, the reason why we wanted to get a Canadian PR was because we wanted to create a better life for ourselves and also to achieve something on our own. And whenever things used to get difficult for us, we would always remind us of this, and that would make us stronger and we would move ahead and get things done. So I highly recommend for all of you to think about these basic things before proceeding with your Canadian PR process. Now coming to the most important part of the video is again a very important question which you need to ask yourself, and that is whether you want to do this process all by yourself or take assistance from a consultancy. I would like to call this as the step 0 of the Canadian PR process, because the decision you make now will decide how your Canadian PR process journey will proceed. Based on my personal experience, I would like to share a couple of things with you which might help you with making this choice. So basically there are two important things which I want to share. First is responsibility. Now if you are someone who wants to do this process all by yourself, then 100% of the responsibility lies upon you. You will have to educate yourself, do all the research required, and you have to get your PR process done. On the other hand, if you opt for consultancy, I would still say majority of the work is still done by you, like 70 to 80% of it at least. For the rest of it, your consultancy will help you, whether you have any queries or while creating your profile or submitting your application. Coming to the second part of this is money. Now, if you're on a budget or otherwise, by doing this process by yourself, you will be saving a huge amount of money. On the other hand, if you opt for consultancy, then of course you'll have to pay for their services, and this might increase your budget a bit higher. Now speaking of whether we did this process all by ourselves or took assistance from a consultancy, we did go through a consultancy. Now this was way back in April 2018 when we first decided that we wanted to get a PR. You know, coming from an Indian middle class family, the money which would go into this process was pretty big for us, and we didn't wanted any of our mistakes to cost us that money. And moreover, we didn't even know anyone who had done this process before, or a source from where we could get information whichever was required by us. So we thought it would be a responsible choice if we go for a consultancy, although it meant we had to put an extra bit of money for it. So we did some basic research on the various consultancies which were providing their services for people who were interested in obtaining PR, and we zeroed on Xiphias Immigration. To be honest, they are a bit pricey as they themselves claim, but they also assure you to provide with the best of services. So this was June 2018 when we consulted them. They gave us a brief about the entire process, what are the different steps involved and how much money will it require, and we were pretty convinced and we thought we'll go ahead with them. Now if I'll have to share the review of this consultancy, then there are two important things which I can talk about. One, of course, is the money. As I said, they are a bit pricey, and since some promotional offer was going on, we got a discount and still we had to pay 1.25 lakhs Indian rupees barring the PNP, and if we had to opt for PNP, we had to pay another 25,000. Now coming to the second point, which is their service, whether it was worth the money which we were investing in them. I can say, barring a few glitches here and there, the overall experience was a pretty good one. Right from the beginning till the time we landed here in Canada, they were always there for us. Whenever we used to have any questions, they would always get back to us with solution for it. So I can say that they did a pretty good job. And if you are someone who's looking out for a consultancy, then I can recommend that this is one of the good consultancy which is out there. And if you are interested, then in the description box below you can find a link to their website. Please go ahead and check them out. If you ask me whether you have to do this process by your own or if you need to take assistance from a consultancy, I would say it really depends on your situation. For example, if you're someone who is okay to spend some money and don't have enough time to invest in this process, then I would recommend please go ahead with a consultancy and that will help you out. Whereas if you are someone who's on a budget or interested in putting some extra time and effort into the process, then I would say please go ahead and do this by your own, because it is very much doable and there are so many people who have already done this on their own and are here in Canada, and as a result you will also be saving up some money. I hope this video is going to be of some help to you guys in making that decision at the step 0 of your PR process. If yes, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel, because my next video is going to be about getting your educational credentials assessed and verified by VES. I guess that's it for the day, guys, and I hope to see you all soon in the next video. I want to wish for all of us to be blessed with abundant love, peace and happiness. Take care and do remember, life's all about the little things.